Lesson Robinson Crusoe. Question and answers. Who was Daniel Defoe? Daniel Defoe was the author of the book Robinson Crusoe. Question number B. What happened about 2 weeks after Robinson Crusoe started his voyage? After 2 weeks of voyage of Robinson Crusoe, a violent tornado came from the north. The waves rose high, the skies were black, and the wind howled through the sails. Question number C. What did Robinson Crusoe do when he woke up? Answer is when Robinson Crusoe woke up, he drank some water and slept again. When he woke up again, he swam to the ship to take some useful things from the wreck. Question number D. What did Robinson Crusoe take from the ship? In your view, which items would have proved most useful? Answer. Robinson Crusoe took bread, rice, cheese, tools, wood, rope, nails, wine, clothes, 2 guns, a pair of pistols, and some powder and shot from the ship. In my view, all the items would be useful for him. Question number E. How did Robinson Crusoe discover he lived on an island? Robinson Crusoe discovered that he was on an island when he walked up a little hill and looked around. From there, he could see that he was on an island. Question number F. What are some of the tasks Robinson Crusoe did on the island? Robinson Crusoe made a small raft, a house with stockade, small boat, pots. He tamed baby goat, explored the whole island, and grew corns, wheat, and rice. Next question. What are some of the things he found on the island? Robinson found valley on the other side of the island. He found wild grapes and limes there. He also saw some wild goats and tamed a baby goat. Discuss a difficult question. Question number H. What do you think happened to the others in the boat? According to us, all the others who were on the ship or boat were with Robinson Crusoe must have drowned. Question number G. Why did Robinson Crusoe not want the gold coins? Do you think they would have come in useful? Answer is Robinson Crusoe did not want the gold coins because he could not exchange them for any goods. No, they were not of any use to him on the island. Reference to context. I lay down and slept again. The sun was high in the sky when I woke up. Where and when had Robinson slept before? Robinson Crusoe had slept on a tree between two great branches the previous night. Question number 2. Where was he asleep now? He was asleep near the streams now. Question number 3. What did he decide to do on waking up? On waking up, he decided to go to a ship and bring back something that will be useful to him on that island. Question number B. The next morning, I walked along the shore and up on a little hill. What had he done the previous morning? So answer is he had gone to the ship and brought some useful thing the previous morning. Question number 2. What important fact did Crusoe discover when he got to the top of the hill? Robinson Crusoe discovered that he was on an island. Question number 3. What did he feel when he found out this fact? He felt like a prisoner without any friends in the world.